least 22 people are dead and dozens are still missing following a 6.1 magnitude earthquake in Indonesia.
The quake with a magnitude of 6.1 struck in Aceh province. More than 200 people have been injured. Many buildings have collapsed. Rescuers are searching the ruins of a mosque which collapsed while many children were inside.
Indonesia's National Disaster Management Agency says landslides cut off some major roads.
They say the jolt damaged about 300 houses and buildings. 2 apparent aftershocks measuring magnitude 5 triggered landslides. Some people remain missing.